swing, this is called that falconry show. So this falconry show is a honor sport of UAE and national bird of UAE itself. Okay? So I just starting again to Jasmine. The weight of Jasmine is 860. So every time that I come to my car, I put in the back at the back side. So I need to close the eyes. So this is called that hood. And Arabic is burqa. So this one is very useful to train Jasmine from the start, from juvenile, from young. Okay? What we're dealing is the food that are given after flying. That's our reward. Alright? So in the history of Arabic Peninsula, Arabian, this is starting the falconry is called that the ancestor of Arabian is Bedouin. So this Bedouin is starting to do this falconry for food source. That is 2,000 years ago. We're not alive for that, right? Okay? So this Bedouin is using this one for food source because this one is nothing. So he trained like Jasmine. After that, after 100% trained, Jasmine she hunt, and then that is a food that is shared together. So this one is like a siblings at the time Bedouin is living. Alright? So now I demonstrate you guys how Jasmine be connection because of this. This one they call that lure, and in Arabic tilwa. Okay? So every time that I swing this tilwa, even I'm very fast, he will really easy to catch. You know why? Because the keen eyesight of Jasmine is 8 times sharper in a human, in us. Okay? That's really sharp. Even your hair, she can count it. Okay? So now I start now. It's more windy than yesterday. Yesterday is it do nice really. I hope today is also. length, it will be broke. So I'm always long this one. Yeah. I just gonna give me a few minutes. Even me, I'm tired, huh? So every time that I give revive Jasmine, I'm always facing the front because at the back side it's like a thread. Okay? Yeah, take your time, darling. Yeah, I know. So make it slowly. Don't rush to her. Don't be shy. I need to secure. If possible, you can take it from me. It's more important. Yeah. Okay, so now this is the reward. This food that I give her, that is the weight is 90 grams. I give her. Every time that 24 hours after she eat, and then 24 hours, and then tomorrow I try it again with the same weight. Okay? So this food, every time that I give, you need to frozen 2 weeks. This food. So all bacteria will be dead. You know? Because if this is called from my side that is activity, it means the lifespan of jasmine is more long than the wild. In my side 25 years. My calculation in the wild like 10 to 15 years. Okay, because everything I give it to her. And this one is never paper. Yeah, that's good. Also. And I knew that she came from Canada, from here. Alright? Okay, so after she finishes the food, the meal, it's not automatic from the stomach, it's stuck from the crop. So this, he drained all the meat and bone, only the feather it will be vomit, casting, you know, because it's not drained for that. Okay, but the feather is also important to her. Yeah, all the back on you need to get also feather. Okay, so every time that I'm standing from the wind is opposite. It's always standing from opposite to wind. Where is the wind is coming from this side, right? Yeah. Okay. So I'm done. Thank you for the watching my show and Jasmine. I'm going to the camp. You have